Hi guys, today we will be looking at how to increase your IQ. Firstly, we will be looking at some people with really high IQs. Firstly, we will start with the famous one, Albert Einstein. He had an IQ of over 160 and he is famous all around the world for being one of the smartest people to ever walk this planet. Next, we will be looking at Leonardo da Vinci. Some speculate he had an IQ of over 220, which is one of the highest IQs ever recorded. Lastly, we will be looking at Terence Tao. He is a known genius with an IQ of over 230. He won the International Math Olympiad at the age of 10 years. If you look closely on this graph, you will see that 50% of the whole population has an IQ of 90 to 110. This really puts into perspective how smart these people were, as you can see on this graph. You're welcome to pause and check it out. As you guys probably know, most smart people love reading books. So, is this in direct correlation to your IQ? Let's find out. As it turns out, yes. Studies show that reading does increase your intelligence. Reading increases your exposure to an extreme vocabulary, and this in turn will reflect better IQ scores, especially for children. For children, diets high in processed food, fat and sugar have led to lower IQ scores. Children who had a more healthy diet, which contained fish, vegetables and healthy carbohydrates, scored better on IQ tests. Exercise is extremely good for your brain and will increase your IQ way more than online brain games. A study done by Sweden proved that cardiovascular fitness can increase a person's verbal intelligence by 50%. A study done by MIT proved that getting less sleep than the recommended amount can decrease your IQ. In fact, studies have also shown that losing an entire night's sleep can cause a loss of up to 1 standard deviation on your IQ the next day. So, more sleep might not increase your IQ, but a lack thereof will decrease it. You might want to think twice before pulling an all-nighter before a test. Activities which you can do to increase your IQ include memory activities such as jigsaw puzzles, Sudoku and crossword puzzles, just to name a few. Executive control activities such as Scrabble, Pictionary and brain teasers. Visual-spatial reasoning activities such as mazes, points of view activities and building 3D models. Playing musical instruments, learning new languages and reading frequently. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one to solve the Riemann hypothesis or the Collatz conjecture. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. You can leave a comment down below and I will try to answer them. See you next time.